Guys, okay, so we had some questions that I just wanted to go over with you on percent. So here is one. It said in a recent year, 29.3% of all registered doctors were female. If there were 58,900 female registered doctors that year, what was the total number of registered doctors? So a couple ways we can do this. Easiest way, turn that percent into a decimal. So that 29, remember how we did before we were doing the Dr. Pepper, my favorite soda? You take, oh, my pen isn't working, hold on. Okay, you take that percent here and turn it to a decimal. Remember, if I'm going from percent to decimal, I'm gonna go back 2 places, so 0.293. And then you can just go ahead and multiply that by 58. Oops. Let me just fix that real quick. 58,900. You can use your calculator. So 0.293 times 58,900, and you get 17. Now, it says round your answer to the nearest whole number. So what I got was 17,257.7. That 7 is going to take that, the one before it, and turn it to an 8. So the answer would be 17,258 registered doctors. Okay. The other percent problem I got, or question I got, was to answer these questions. So remember how we did the is over of equals percent over 100. So here's my is, here's my percent, I'm missing my of. So 20.57, that's my is, over my of, I don't know, equals my percent over 100. And we know with ratios that they need to, cross products need to be equal. So let's cross multiply. If I do that, I get 2,057 equals 42.5 times x. So now I've got a one-step equation. We know that this means to multiply. So to undo it, we're going to divide. I'm going to get my calculator again. I'm going to punch in 2,057 and divide it by 42.5. And that gives me 48 and 4/10. Okay, with B, I'm still going to use is over of equals percent over 100. My is, here's my of 61 is 152.5, so it's bigger. My percent's going to be more than 100 for this one. So we're going to have, and I don't know my percent, so that's going to be my x. My is 152.5 over my of, which is 61, equals my percent I don't know, over 100. And again, I'm going to cross multiply to get a one-step equation. 15250 equals 61x. I'm going to divide both sides by 61 because 61 times x, I got to use the inverse operation. Get my calculator, 15250 divided by 61, and you get 250%. Okay? And the last problem I was asked, oops, that was it. I think. I thought there was one more. So I'm going to look and see about the other one and get back. I found it. Same thing as before. 65%. Oops. Let's go back. Here we go. 65. Oh my gosh, my pen is not working. There we go. 65% of 80 is what? I don't know. So is over of equals percent over 100. We're going to cross multiply. 100x equals 80 times 65. You get 5,200. I'm going to divide by 100 because I'm multiplying in my equation. So now I'm going to divide. 5,200 divided by 100 is 52. And then here again, 51 is what percent? I don't know. Of 60. So is over of equals percent over 100. Again, we're going to cross multiply. Oops. 5100 equals 60x. Divide by 60. Get your calculator. 5,100 divided by 60 is 85. So there you go. All right, let me know if you have any questions.